some stir fry.
Yes.
We've set you up for your quicker than takeout Kung Pao chicken.
Yes, have you got the timer on? Because this is not
Let's
good.
get it started.
Okay, right, Kung Pao chicken, who doesn't like Kung Pao chicken, right?
I love it. I'm so excited to try this.
Fantastic. It's spicy, sweet, and it should be a little bit tangy, and that's because of black rice vinegar that we're going to use. It's a Chinese black rice vinegar right here.
Right there.
So, to get started, the chicken, pinch of salt, lovely, some ground white pepper, and then some corn flour.
Oh, the corn,
or
potatoes.
potato starch or cornstarch, sorry.
Okay.
That's what you say. And then just give it a dusting. And then just give that a nice little toss.
Very good.
Okay. And what that's going to do is just going to help seal the juices in the meat.
Very
We've
good.
got there some delicious chicken thighs. Some red chilies, dried red chilies, in with
All
the
right,
chicken.
throw that in.
Yeah,
I
throw
smell that.
in.
All of it?
Yes, all of it.
No batches, just get
All
it
of
in there, right?
Yes,
It's quick.
Absolutely.
Quick and easy, Jeff.
Quick and easy. Oil in. We've got the dried chilies. And we've got the Sichuan pepper. Now, the Sichuan pepper is an amazing ingredient. It tastes, you know, citrusy, spicy, numbing, and it's hot, and it's really good. So we're just going to colour the chicken. So we're going to give it good colour on one side. Now, the sauce. Easy to make your own Kung Pao sauce. 100 mils of veggie stock, cold.
Milliliters.
Milliliters, yes. And 1 tablespoon of ketchup.
Oh.
Traditionally, that's not used. We just use vinegar and sugar.
And then that black rice vinegar here, right?
Black rice vinegar, absolutely.
And what is this, a little?
And that's a little bit of hot sauce, just a teaspoon.
If you don't have black rice vinegar, could you use something else?
Yeah, you could use balsamic vinegar. You could use rice vinegar. But what's beautiful about black rice vinegar, it's got this earthy note to it, and it's more gentle and not so acidic. Okay, so a tablespoon of hoisin.
Okay.
And that's going to add some sweetness. So with Chinese cooking, it's all about just, you know,
putting stuff in there.
A tablespoon of light soy.
Okay, I got that in there.
Just give it a good mix. It's a delicate balance of flavors.
And is this the cornstarch?
And that's the cornstarch, yes.
Just to thicken it up, right?
Now,
look at that. I made that sauce just for you.
Great.
Ching.
Done. Thank you. Okay, so we want to just cook the chicken so it's got nice golden colour. And then before it gets all the way cooked through, we're going to add in some rice wine.
Ooh.
And that's going to get absorbed into the meat.
Now, am I right that the dark bits on the meat and all that is called wok-hei?
Wok-hei, or wei, actually, which is the breath of the wok.
The breath of the wok. So the hotter the wok, you get that sear on there, and that's all flavor.
Absolutely. Make sure everything is cooked through. And then at this point, while the sauce is glossy and thickened, in goes the scallions, and in goes some toasted cashews. And then all you do is just toss it up.
You know what I like about this is barely a tablespoon of oil you use.
Yeah, it's just a little bit.
Not greasy at all.
I mean,
wow.